When you're making a YouTube video, you often have the idea, which I'd say is the easier of the two things when making a video. Obviously, you need a good idea if you want to have a popular video, because people aren't going to watch the video if it's not based on a good idea. The idea isn't easy, but it's not hard. The hard part is the execution, the idea and the execution. These are the two most important things when making a video. I came up with an amazing video idea yesterday. I spent all day filming it. I got all the footage that I needed and then some. And I don't know how to execute it. I've been sitting at my computer all night, all morning, trying to figure out what direction I want to go with this footage. And I still have no idea. So today, I decided to buy some sneakers instead. So I just got back from a Craigslist meetup earlier today. Well, not actually Craigslist, we don't really have Craigslist in Canada, but Craigslist equivalent for all of my US and English and European viewers. Basically Craigslist. And I bought this pair of sneakers, and it was a pair of Jordan 1s, and it was like the sketchiest sneaker meetup of my life. Usually I like to go with a friend to sneaker meetups. Not that I expect that anything bad is going to happen, but it's like just in case anything bad's gonna happen, I usually go with someone else because, you know, you have cash on you, usually a pretty decent amount of cash, and you're meeting up with someone you've never met before. It's just a good idea to go prepared with someone else in case something fishy happens. This sneaker meetup was in the hood. It was in the hood. The North End is like the sketchy part of the city. It was smack dab in the middle of the North End in this really sketchy parking lot outside of, I don't know if it was a restaurant or what it was, but it was sketchy and it was weird. But I got the pair of shoes without getting mugged. I paid the guy, which was good. I did not get mugged, which was also good. We don't want to need to deal with that again. That already happened to us this year. Freaking Jordan 1s. I already own this pair of shoes. This is an impulse buy. This is a complete impulse buy. I saw these online yesterday and I was like, you know what? I need to scoop these up right quick because these things are very, 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 very nice. And they're in my size, even though I already own these shoes. They are the Jordan 1 UNCs or Carolinas or powder blues, whatever you guys want to call these. Here they are, and these things look great. Okay, so quick little backstory on these. I believe I bought these at a sneaker con in Charlotte, I want to say. I think I bought these at sneaker con Charlotte way back when, about 16 months ago. And I have a pair, and I've worn them once, and they are a great freaking pair of shoes. But I wanted to get another pair. I don't know why. I just saw them for a good price. I'm like, you know what? I want some Jordan 1s. I'm gonna add these into my collection. I've got them for a very, very, very good price. In fact, I got them for 200 Canadian dollars, which, considering they retail for 215 plus tax, which is $242.50 if you were to buy these at retail at a Foot Locker or something like that. I got them for 200 even. I was very, very happy to get them. And this colorway is just so nice. Like, seriously, so nice. Honestly though, I love these things. They are amazing, and I can say that a million other times. I have all these Jordan 1s behind me. I have a pair that I forgot at the gym yesterday because I just brought it to the gym to take a freaking picture with it, and I forgot a pair of shoes at the gym, so I'll need to go get those later today. But I have 49 pairs of Jordan 1s now, which is insane. One of them's on the way. I'm gonna be buying pair number 50 while I'm in New York. I'm super excited for pair number 50. Hopefully I'll be able to get them for a good price, because they don't go for crazy amounts of money, but they go for some money. But I was just really happy to get these. Any day I can pick up a pair of Jordan 1s, I feel like a little kid again. You know, when you buy so many shoes like this, I know I've said this before, but when you buy so many shoes, the shoes stop being important. But once in a while, you get those shoes that are like, yeah, I feel like so excited. Do you remember when you didn't used to buy, like, I don't know how often you personally buy sneakers, but let's say you buy sneakers once a week and it's like an active thing where you're always buying new sneakers. They stop becoming special. Like, you don't put them out on the table and look at them and be like, wow, this is a dope pair of shoes. I want to look at these all day because I'm so excited that I bought these, and I want to get back to that. I really, really want to get back to that. So many of these shoes, I just buy them, put them in a box, and never think about them again because I'm buying so many pairs of sneakers. Then maybe 6 months down the road, I'll actually wear them. And it's really just, I don't feel passionate about that. I feel passionate about these. I feel passionate about those Kyrie 4s back there that I bought the other day. Like, I feel so excited that I got these and they've been out here and I've been looking at them like non-stop because I think these things are so freaking nice. And I feel like excited that I bought this pair of shoes, but lots of the shoes that I buy, I don't exactly feel excited about. So I'm happy that I bought these. I mean, for the price I got them for, I think $200 is a pretty good price. That's Canadian, so that's basically retail. They retailed for $215 Canadian. I don't know if the guy was just trying to get rid of them really quick or what the deal was, but adding another pair of Jordan 1s to the sneaker collection, I already have these. They're a really nice pair of kicks, so I thought getting a second pair wouldn't be that bad. The UNC colorway, obviously Jordan went to the University of North Carolina. They can't technically call these Carolina blue anymore. I don't know what the deal was with that, but 5-6 years ago, instead of calling it Carolina blue, they started calling it powder blue. So now this is the powder blue Jordan 1, not the Carolina blue Jordan 1. I am a huge fan of these. This marks my 49th pair of Jordan 1. So the next pair I get is number 50. 50 pairs of Jordan 1s. I already know what that pair of Jordan 1s is gonna be. We're gonna be picking that up when I am in New York this weekend. I am very excited to get those as well. No, unfortunately, they are not the off-white ones, but they are a very nice pair of shoes nonetheless. These though, $200 cash. I think it's a great price. I wanted to see what my buddy Eric at Friday Nights thought of these though. Where's Eric? There he is. New shoes? Yeah. Oh, are those my size?
10s.
Ah, those are so nice. I wanted those for so long.
You got me a pair of bread toes.
I didn't get you bread toes. What do you think of these?
They're cool. They're not bread toes.
Yeah, they're not bread. Are you still salty about the bread toes?
I'm still salty about the bread toes. I called Porter's Place.
I went to Porter's Place. They weren't. Yeah.
Oh well, these are dope.
Right? $200 bucks. Not bad.
Really sketchy. Kijiji meetup?
It was really sketchy. It was on a parking lot in Selkirk. Well, on Selkirk. Just right in the hood.
You're a Jordan 1 connoisseur, so I'm guessing you're not bringing these here to sell.
No, I'm not. I was just filming a video of them, but they're pretty freaking nice.
Those are dope.
Yeah.
Why don't you show your following what we have here?
Yeah, so Eric just got these in today. Freaking Kith, Ronnie Feig, High Snobiety. I've wanted these for so long. These are one of the coolest Asics models ever. And I don't know why, but like I think I slept in, like literally slept in the day these released because I really wanted to grab these. These are so nice. It's this quilted black suede with red on the midsole, and then there's a German flag here. I think because High Snobiety maybe is in Germany?
Yeah, Berlin. These are for the 10th anniversary High Snobiety.
Have I been to High Snobiety then? Because I've been to Berlin. I don't remember going to High Snobiety. Guys, you've seen my videos. Have I been to High Snobiety? I went to... I've been to Overkill.
Were they a store?
I don't know.
A store.
They must be a store.
They're a publication.
What? Oh, they're a publication.
Yeah.
I thought it was a store. I'm really stupid. Okay, I haven't been to High Snobiety, but I have been to Berlin, and this is a very nice pair of sneakers. I realize I accidentally just said these are Asics. Trust me, I know they're Pumas. They're not Asics. Big Puma thing right there. Anyone that says Puma, my dad says Puma, just weird. Do you say Puma?
No, do you say Tiger?
Tiger? What for what?
When people say Tiger.
Who says
Have you ever
Tiger?
heard that? My vice principal from Arthur Day Middle School, Mr. Daniels, said Tiger. He gave us a big speech about Tiger Woods one day.
Mr. Daniels?
Yeah.
Come see me. That's just messed up.
He gave us a big...